Hello everyone, this is Sonu Verma and you're watching Codentry. So today I gonna show you how to create sentiment analyze in React.js. So to implement this sentiment analyze in React.js, I am using one package that is also called sentiment. Sentiment. So first go to npm package website and search sentiment. Okay. So this is our sentiment library. It is last published is 4 years ago and it have 10,523 weekly download. So firstly, just install this library into our project. So this is our empty project, also called as boilerplate because there is some necessary file is exist and other file is deleted by myself. So our package is installation successfully. To implement this library into our project, first I have to create a basic setup. So setup have is input box, input type should be text, and placeholder is enter text here. Okay, so this input box is ready. To handle this input box, I am using one state. It's called react use state hook. So firstly import use state and also use effect. Okay, so here is I'm defining one state that is called input text, and there is an inbuilt method that is called set input text and use state. Okay, so this should be string, so I'm using string and there is some spelling mistake. Input text. Okay, the use state name should be in camel case. So our state is ready to use. Firstly I am using value should be input text. Okay, and on change I'm using store this value inside the state. So is equal to it use arrow functions and set text info. Okay, so it's give response on change event, then event dot target dot value. Okay, so our input box is ready to use. So to check this box is working or not, I'm display the box value below the box. Okay, the save the project and go to browser and refresh the browser and changing something here. The so value is display beneath the text box. Okay, so our input box is working properly. So firstly I am implement sentence library on there. Okay, so first import sentiment. Okay, and creating one object code sentiment new sentiment. Okay, so this object is used to change sentence. Okay, first I'm using use effect arrow functions and its dependency is input text. So when is input box is change, it, inside the use effect hook code is execute automatically. So I'm using here const temp result, sorry, result is equal to sentiment dot analyze. uh, Analyze is a method that comes from sentiment library, and its parameter is sentence, so sentence should be input text. Okay, and here is I'm using console to debug the which code is received after change the sentence. So save this code and go to browser and refresh this here. So this is bad. Okay, on changing input box the result is come here. So I'm using bad, though bad is a negative word, so there is show score is minus. Okay, and there are uh, two other parameters for useful. For is one is negative, second is positive. If score value is negative, it means sentence is negative. If score value is positive, it means sentence is positive. And if score value is 0, it means sentence is neutral. Okay, so to implement UI, I'm using predefined CSS. Sorry, this is CSS that I am writing. So the CSS will be available inside the source code. I am going to app.css and paste his here CSS. Okay, so UI is that. I'm implementing also icon on there. So first is I'm using paragraph and its class is icon. Inside the paragraph, first I am using one another state that is called result. Okay, result and set result, and result is stored here. So sentiment response is stored inside the result state, and result state using on there result state is score. If result score is sorry is equal to 0, it means it is a neutral sentence. And if result score is less than 0, it means sentence is negative, otherwise positive. Negative. Okay, just go to browser and refresh the code. I'm checking what is the score. So result score. Okay, why is error on there? So firstly I am comment this line and console the result to display what the issue is created. Okay, this is bad, this is bad. Okay, I think there are some. Okay, okay. I think there is everything okay, but why is showing error? So result score is equal to 0, that, otherwise score is less than that, and that. Let me check. Okay, what is error on there? Error is undefined score. Hmm. Okay. Okay. I forgot to add optional chaining on there. Okay. Okay. It is working. Okay, so I am also using, there are three icon. First is neutral, second is for positive, and third is for negative. Okay, and also on there I am display result div. Okay, and inside the div I am using result dot negative negative dot map. Okay, index and item. Class name is negative. Okay, and here is value. Same writing code for positive, and also here is optional chaining to avoid the error. Okay, here name is changing positive. Okay, here is done. So I'm just go to browser and open, refresh the page. So here is I'm changing something. I am good boy. So this is positive sentence, and if I am using I am bad boy, it is negative sentence. So there are one more issue for. Okay, okay. There is one more issue because I am forgot to add one more class is result. Okay, so now it's fix everything. If I'm using there is a positive sentence, so the emoji is should be positive, and I'm using negative sentence, so emoji is should display set. So I'm change on there. This is so bad but good. This sentence it doesn't mean anything, but this is neutral because it is 50-50 negative and 50-50 positive. So that's it. If this video is helpful, then like this video and share this video. Thank you.